Noriko styles are some of my very favorite everyday throw and go pieces. That's why I love Zeal so much, because it is classic Noriko. This Zeal style is a short little shaggy cut with some tailored layering. It's gorgeous. If you like styles like Meadow or even Cameron by Renee of Paris, I think you're gonna love Zeal. It's just the perfect length, gives you a lot of interest around the face, gives you a beautiful bump and profile in the back. Noriko sent this wig to me for this review today. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video and expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So the dimensions on Zeal, right around 4.5 inches, right on this bang. Now that bang scoots right over the eyebrow effortlessly, and in the back about a 6-inch crown, which gives you that little bump and profile look that tapers into a 2.5-inch nape. But there are some longer layers that overlap. This is a really shag style cut. I feel like it has amazing coverage. All of the wig lines are obscured, so you can't see through to your biological hair. I love the fact that this is just a machine-made cap. There's no lace or no monofilament on this one. That helps keep the price tag down. It also makes it very convenient for that throw and go, or that plug and chug wig, as I like to say. It only weighs 2.8 ounces. It feels super lightweight on the head. It has more of that classic Noriko fit. I cinched in the adjusters just a little bit, so I feel like it is pretty average. What I can tell you about Noriko too is that it does tend to loosen up or even conform to your head shape after you've worn it a few times. Also true to the Noriko styles, you're going to see quite a bit of permatease. So the permatease is heavy on the top, on the sides, temple, basically none at the back and nape though. So it's strategically done to give you lift and profile on the top and the crown, but be smooth on the sides and in the back and at the nape. This fiber is your classic Noriko fiber. It's gorgeous. It's a workhorse type fiber. It's not heat friendly. It's regular synthetic. It feels very soft and silky and separated to the touch. It feels and moves so naturally. And I love that for all of the looks that I'm going to get here. So you all know me, I like a little bit of lift. I'm definitely going to be able to get that on Zeal. And it's going to be sustained. But just because I get lift doesn't mean that it isn't movable. So this is that Lilac Silver R. And you're going to see a dynamic silver gray blend. Okay, some darker, some lighter. But this has a kiss, just a whisper of lilac. And that lilac gives the appearance of maybe just a fresh tone, a toner to get out yellows and golds. It just gives you a hint. And I wore this mauve or lilac top just to kind of highlight this hair because it's very frosty, it's very cool. Like silver or gray, I think you can really get some lovely personality from just a whisper, a kiss, a hint, a glint of lilac. In fact, I wouldn't say, wow, that's purple hair, because it's not. It's a silver hair. It's a beautiful, classy look. And it is rooted, so you will see that dimension. We've got a little bit of a darker root that kind of blends into the color. I forgot there was a root there. So let's take a look at this one in natural light. This just always gives you a nice, well-rounded look at this color. Out of the box, I simply gave it a shake, applied it to my head, and just swirled around a little bit to set these fibers free. And this is what you get. It's just so easy. Let's try with glasses. Glasses seem to fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab. It's a nice fine density there, not too much permatease at the ear tab.